हेलो फ्रेंड, वेलकम टू विजर्ड लैब यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको 11 एग्जांपल्स ऑफ कंपनीज हिंटिंग एट प्रोडक्ट अनाउंसमेंट विद कंटेंट मार्केटिंग के बारे में बताऊंगा। उससे पहले आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें। चलते हैं अपनी वीडियो की तरफ। कॉर्नर बॉन्ड ऑन वेब September 20, 2023, रीडिंग टाइम 8 minutes. When a competitor announces a major product release or an acquisition, a natural reaction is to wish you know about it sooner, because the sooner you know, the more time you have to prepare internal communications, external talking points, etc. Sometimes you get lucky, maybe one of your competitors unhappy. Customers forward you a roadmap presentation. Stuff like that happens occasionally, but you can't count on it. The good news is that you may not need to count on it, because your competitors may be dropping hints in their content marketing. Today I'll walk through 11 real world examples of companies that hinted at a major product announcement with their content marketing. Every press release and piece of content featured in this blog post was captured in real time by Carry On competitor tracking technology. Disclaimer: obviously, because your competitor publishes a blog post about email marketing, don't mean they're going to release per acquire an email marketing tool to anticipate your competitors' announcements. You need to analyze their marketing output through the lens of their shortcomings and market demands. If you know that your competitors' customers have been asking for an email marketing tool for years, then that blog post probably indicates that something is in the works. Go Daddy. The announcement on August 15, GoDaddy announced the release of Instant Video, an AI tool that helps individuals create videos. The hint: on only 25th, GoDaddy published a blog post with tips for creating videos. Blog 2, Blog Commerce. The announcement on July 19, Blog Commerce announced the release of Checkout Unleashed, a tool that enables e-commerce brands to integrate checkout into video, email, and other marketing experiences. The hint: 1 June, Bold Commerce published a blog post about the evolution of the e-commerce checkout experience. MailChimp. The announcement on April 10, MailChimp announced the release of email content generator, an AI tool that helps marketer create email campaigns. The hint: on February 8, MailChimp announced that they be using their AI next text generation to live tweet. The Super Bowl included in the post was the claim that their AI generator has email marketing covered. Into MailChimp. Our AI generator has email marketing covered. Now it's covering Super Bowl play by AI live on Twitter, Sunday, February 12th. See how our AI text generator helps your marketing. CPR.ly IY per 60 70Y 73Y6VX Smartsheet. The announcements on July 26 Smartsheet announced the release of AI features designed to help enterprises tackle their mission critical work more strategically and significantly. The hint on July 13, Supersheet published a blog post with tips from marketing leaders on how to use AI to do more with less. Uh, Dogbo. The announcement on June 12, Dogbo announced the acquisition of Edogo.ai and generative AI based learning technology. The hint on March 20, Dokebo published a blog post about the potential of generative AI to transform corporate learning development functions. Sprout Social. The announcement on August 3, Sprout Social announced the acquisition of Tiger media and influencer marketing platform. The first hint of on April 17, Sprout Social published a blog post with tips for developing an influencer marketing strategy. The second hint on April 24, Sprout Social published another blog post about influencer marketing. Brand Watch. The announcement on May 25th, Brand Watch announced the addition of a new category of Reddit data to its social intelligence platform. The hint, the hint. On March 30, Brand Watch published a blog post about using Reddit for social listening. Sixth Sense. The announcement on June 6. Sixth Sense announced the release of an AI email writing features. Sixth Sense unveiled generative AI email uh, writing feature that generates pipeline. The hint on April 4, Sixth Sense published a blog post with tips for editing AI generated content. Uh, Demand base. 9 announcement on July 25, demand base announced the release of a connected TV solution for B2B advertisers. The hint on June 27, Demand Base published a blog post explaining why B2B advertisers should care about a connected TV. Sells Loft. The announcement on June 21st, Sales Loft announced the release of Rhythm, an AI tool that translates buyer behavior into the most immediate and impactful seller actions in a single prioritized workflow. Included in the announcement was the claim that the future of sales is here. The hint on June 7, Sales Loft published a webinar about the sales workflow of the future. Mind Tickle. Mind Tickle. The announcement on Mind Tickle announcement announced the acquisition of Enables Us, a provider of digital sales room technology. The hint. On October 20 of the previous year, Mindtickle published a blog post about the value of digital sales rooms. They republished the blog post following the announcement. To the reading. If you respect your competitor is preparing to make a major announcement, I recommended using analysis of commitment hypothesis to organize your thinking and determine which explanations are more or less likely to be true. Connor Bond. Connor Bond is on the marketing team at Carry On. If your whatever reason you were to rip his headphones of his head and put them on yourself to probably hear Weekend Friends और Charlie XCX. तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ आपसे अगली वीडियो के अंदर, तब तक के लिए बाय।